Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RC helicopters for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Simma RC Helicopter S39 aircraft. One of the best RC helicopters for kids goes to the Simma RC S39 aircraft. If you're looking for a sturdy and durable helicopter, this is it. It is built out of alloy, making it a long-lasting toy. It also has anti-collision technology that increases its durability. This RC helicopter has built-in LED lights that make it easy to see where you're going, even if you're flying in a dark room or outside in the evening. You'll be able to easily control this helicopter, which is something that can be hard to do with other options on the market. There is a high and low speed option, making it a great option for beginners. The battery can quickly be charged via USB cable, and there is also a light to indicate when it's fully charged and ready to fly. This RC helicopter has a strong signal that cancels out the fear of interference while flying. This is also a great gift if you're looking for something that will help you bond with your child. It's fun for both adults and teenagers. In this kit, you will get the S39 RC helicopter, the remote control, a battery, charging cable, trail blade, tools, and a manual. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Simma S17 Helicopter. Simma has another RC helicopter that makes the cut with the S107 model. This is a 3.5-channel helicopter that is available in several color options. It has stable flight characteristics, making this a great choice for someone with little to no flying experience. You can easily control where you're going with the left, right, forwards, backward, up and down knobs. There is also a button that controls whether the helicopter is going up or down, making it easy to land and take off. It has a lithium polymer battery built in, allowing it to charge quickly between flights. Speaking of the battery, the flight time on a full charge is around 20 minutes, depending on how fast or slow you're flying the helicopter. It is suggested that kids 14 years old or over use this RC helicopter, and it's also intended for indoor use only. Another great thing about this product is that it has a brushed motor. This type of motor is known to be quieter while running, lasts longer, and more durable. At number 3, we have the Cheerwing S17/S107G Phantom. It is available in blue, red, and yellow. One thing that sets this helicopter apart from others like it on the market is the frequency selection. You'll be able to fly 2 selectable helicopters at the same time. This is perfect if you have more than one kid, or if you are looking for a bonding activity. We all know that kids can be rough with their toys. That's why you'll love the durable metal frame on this helicopter. There is also an auto-stable feature and precision speed to improve the amount of control that you have while flying it. The gyro system makes it easy to learn how to fly, no matter how young or old the person in control is. It has infrared control that allows for the helicopter to go in forward and backward motions, along with up and down, and left and right. This is a smaller RC helicopter, and it's incredibly lightweight and portable. You and your child can go to a local park and fly this thing around for quite a long time before it needs to be charged. Lastly, there are built-in lights that flash, making it easy to see the helicopter on cloudy days or at night. At number 2, we have the HiStorm RC Helicopter. It is designed using gyroscope technology, making it easy to control. It is quite durable thanks to the metal body frame, which also increases stability. It has a 3.5 Hz channel selectable frequency that allows you to fly the helicopter around 32 feet in the air or 32 feet around you in any direction. The controls on the remote are up, down, left, right, forward, and backward. It takes less than 45 minutes to charge this helicopter from a completely drained battery to fully charged. Conveniently, It is charged via USB cable that will work on outlet cubes, tablets, and laptops. It has a flying time of about 10 minutes, depending on how fast and intense you're flying the helicopter. The controller is powered by AA batteries that are not included. If the helicopter crashes, the throttle will pick it right up and get it to take off again. This is one of the best RC helicopters for kids because it's lightweight and compact. While it's not suggested, you could crash this toy into a wall, ceiling, or piece of furniture and it will still fly. There are multicolored LED lights that make it easy to fly in the dark as well. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cheerwing U12S Mini RC Helicopter. This bad bay has Wi-Fi FPV transmission with app controls, making it a lot more technologically advanced than other options on the shelves. It has a built-in Wi-Fi camera that allows you to take photos and videos. You can even live stream with this helicopter by using your phone. It has an auto-hovering feature that makes it easy to stay in one place for an extended period of time. You only need to press one button in order to take off or land with this mini RC helicopter. There is also a convenient emergency stop feature that will bring the toy down in the event that wind picks up or it starts to rain. Something I love about the Cheerwing U12S is that you don't need any prior experience to be able to easily fly it. There are 2 different speed modes, and you can also pair it with another helicopter to fly with your friends or family members. There is a low battery power mode that will alarm you when the battery is getting low. The out-of-range feature alerts you that it's time to turn the helicopter around so that you don't lose it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.